Today I'm telling you about the eyelid wipes with tea tree designed by Dr. Chrissy. So this is 30 wipes in a pack like these. You can see they're individually wrapped, so very easy to just put a few in your bag while traveling or in your gym bag when you're finished with gym and you just want to clean your face. How to use them: they're individually wrapped. You just open them up, very easy. They also remove long wearing makeup. And you can see it's a nice big wipe, so you can actually include your whole face. Very easy to use and very important, keep your eyes closed. Wipe the eyes like you would remove your makeup. Wipe the entire face while your eyes are closed. Rinse with water, then open up and dry. Very fresh, your skin feels clean, bacteria removed, and your face and eyes are sanitized.